Mice and rats can be a nuisance in the garden, as they often eat produce and spread disease. Here's how to get rid of them. If there is a food source, you're likely gonna have mice and rats. Make sure to remove any vegetables or fruits that have fallen, and protect the ones that have not, by using a mesh. Elevating your garden, placing gravel around it, or installing fences, can also make it harder for the mice to get to. It's also a good idea to remove any debris or dense vegetation that could be a suitable nesting spot for the rodents. Mice and rats can also be naturally deterred by scents, such as mint and garlic. Predators, like cats and dogs, can help control the rodent population in your garden. However, if this isn't an option, you can use traps. Live traps are an effective control method. They are a better option, as opposed to regular mice traps, which can cause other wildlife to get caught in it. Peanut butter, nuts, and cheese are some of the best baits you can use for the traps. Set the traps in the night, and check the following morning. If you caught one, you can release it into a wild area that's over at least 1 kilometer away. Only do this if it is native, and your city allows it. If not, contact local agencies. Then, reset the trap. Continue to monitor the garden for any signs of the rodents, and consider professional help if there's an infestation.